SAT Math, let's go.
Let's talk about question 13 from the May 2022 test. So here we have a triangle KLM, and they're telling us that it's similar to triangle RST, and they're also giving us the pairs of angles that are corresponding, and they're telling us that RS is equal to 3 times KL. So before I move on to the actual question, I'm going to sketch the other triangle. So let's sketch RST. So I know that R corresponds to K, so that has to be here. S corresponds to L, that has to be here. So the last one over here has to be T. And then based on the properties of similar triangles, I know that the corresponding angles have to have the same measures. And with this information, RS is equal to 3 times KL. What that means is that this smaller triangle here is 1/3 of the bigger one. Or I can say that the bigger triangle is 3 times the size of the smaller one. So we can notate it like that. So now let's take a look at the statements that they're giving us. In statement 1, they say that the measure of angle R is 45. Well, I know that's not going to be true because I already figured out that it has to be 15. So that one we can eliminate. So in statement 2, they're telling us that ST is equal to 60. Well, based on this RS is equal to 3 times KL, we figured out that the bigger triangle has to be 3 times the smaller one. So if this LM in here is 20, the corresponding side of it has to be 60, which would be exactly this one over here. So we know that statement 2 is going to be correct. So B is the correct answer.